Hi everyone. So this class is all about root determination. It is let us understand how it is end-to-end configured in S/4HANA SD. So before we're doing in SAP, let us understand the concepts behind the root determination. This is a process of identifying the optimal path and mode of transport for a delivery based on a specific business rules. So the system will understand what is the optimal path or mode of transport. Okay. So the business rules, where from it will come? It will come from the on the based upon the business rules. This determination rules are maintained so that when you create a sales order, the route is determined. What are the master data inputs it is required? The system will evaluate from the master data fields during processing. One is shipping condition, which will come from the customer master. Transportation group, which will come from the material master, and transportation zone, customer or shipping hub. Okay, customer is departure zone, destination zone, the shipping point is departure. Purpose is critical for calculate the accurate transit time so that you can calculate what is the time date you take for delivery. Determine the transportation costs as well. So it will involve the costs, time according to the costs, and then the meeting the delivery commitment dates. So what are the configuration building blocks? So we'll create a route. Route means it is defined the physical path and transit times, and zones also. This is for your shipping, either destination zone or it is the departure zone, and the weight group which is involved, okay, and the shipping condition. So shipping condition, it is defines the delivery options. Okay, so the steps which will follow: first define the routes. We'll define the route. Shipping condition which will be defined. Okay, define the transportation zones, then maintain transportation groups and configure route determination. So this transportation group once defined, it is maintained the material master. Shipping condition it is defined, it is maintained at the customer master. This to be populated by customer master. So from the customer master, sales order, in the sales order it will flow, and from material master it will also go to the sales order. Okay. So the route will depend upon the route determination depend upon the shipping condition, transportation group, and also the transportation zones. Route ID, which is a unique identifier, transit duration it will have, shipping type it will have, and also distances it will have. Okay. Shipping and transportation. So shipping condition maintain the customer master sales order delivery type that we have also given. Transportation group it is available in the material master sales and plant. Okay, what is the how the mapping works? So departure zone, shipping condition, transportation group, and destination zone. Okay. System evaluates the logic in the storage sequence, that is departure zone, country and zone, then shipping condition, transportation group, destination country and zone. So it results in two. If you have the troubleshooting, I mean, if you have any issues, then definitely you follow some steps so that you can fix the issue in the route determination. So first is checking the data in customer master, transportation group, verify the zones, and check the configuration. This is all about route determination. So we'll go to SAP and see how it works. Okay. We'll just try to configure. So here I have opened a sales order. This is a newly created sales order. If I go to the material line item in the shipping tab, I see there is no route is mapped. Okay. So route determination doesn't happen. So here so there are a lot of routes in the system. It is defined already, but determination rule is not there. That's why it's not. But what we'll do is we'll start creating we'll start creating a route, and also how that route will be automatically determined, that mapping will. So let us understand from where the shipping is happening. It is happening from the JPP1 plan, and to where it is happening, it is dispatched to this customer. So I have opened a existing order, and I was showing you that what I'm trying to tell you is that the product is shipped from JPP1 plant, and then the is going to customer. So ship to party. Okay. So to party this. So here I should have the departure, the destination zone, which is attached to ship to party. I should have the departure zone, which is assigned to plant or the shipping point, and I have the material. If the material, I have it in the material. I should have the loading group, and the from customer I will have the shipping condition. So if you can see the shipping condition, from the shipping condition, from customer master, the shipping condition is picked. So here I will make, suppose it is a trans standard. So it should ask me the return. So if it is, if the route is there, so it will determine. Okay. So route is not there, shipping point is also not there. So what we'll do is we'll go to config. For 01, the shipping point should be also determined. So we'll fix this issue. Okay. So we'll go to logistics, execution, shipping, basic shipping functions, and shipping point determination. First, shipping point determination, shipping point should be determined. Okay, this is already covered in one of the class. So shipping point determination, that you can differ. Just I'm trying to fix this issue so that the shipping point will come automatically. Okay, here the shipping condition is 01, loading group is 0001, and plant is FPP1. So I'll just copy this and P1, and it should be S1. So if I maintain this record, my sales order should determine the shipping point automatically. Okay. So let me go to sales order, and I will just try to change FPP1. Okay, go back here. I'll try to change it to 2, and it will redetermine. Okay, and if I go to again 1, it should redetermine. Okay, so I will go to this shipping point. So you can see that shipping point is automatically determined. Okay. Now coming to the route, how the route will be determined. So let us go to the config area. So this will come from for the routes. Okay. So first I will define it. I have already the mode of transport is defined. Okay, suppose I am taking it as road. So 01 is my shipping time. I'll make a combination for 01. This is already defined. So shipping type 01, you can see. Okay, what is the mode of transport? Shipping type is 1, mode of transport, shipping type is 1. That is mode of transport category is 1. Okay. Now comes to define routes and stages. So I will make a copy of this and I will say as suppose okay. B VP pick that time, so transit time here and 1 day. Okay, transportation lead time. So this I will try to maintain. So here I will put the mode of transport as road. Country is IN. What is this? Country of direction. Shipping type is road. Mode of transport okay, mode of transport is not defined, so it's not issue. So transit time is 2 days. Transportation lead time is 1 day. Okay. I can put a distance, suppose it is 200 kilometers. Factory calendar is required. So saved. Distance and unit. So here kilometer. Okay, now I will not go for stages. Okay, so exit. Here I will define the transportation zone. So transportation zone, if you see, new entries is the IN transportation zone is okay. Okay. And also I defined the two zones here, maintain and contribute the transportation zone for shipping point. So what is our shipping point? APS1. Here zone I will mention shipping point. Here this H. And shipping point is over. Now weight groups is already defined. So in the cluster master, so the BP, let us go to BP, and in the business partner, which is this one, this is for the customer master, go to sales and distribution. Okay, if you go to this, you will find the customer number. Okay, ship to party. So for this, we have the customer general data. You will see the export data. It should appear here. So we'll go for change. Yes, the transportation zone. It is Balas. Balas. Okay, it is the destination zone. Okay, once this is assigned, now we will go for maintaining the route determination. So what we will do here, we will do the mapping without weight group. Okay. So here I put a new entry, country is IM, and the departure zone is EHU, destination zone is, the country is again IN, and your destination zone is okay. Here make a new entry, shipping type, Each standard shipping condition is standard. Transportation group is 0001 and the proposed route is, what is the route we have created? PH. Okay, save. Exit. Now, if we go to sales order, we'll go to sales order. We'll go back here. Just change the quantity. Okay, change the quantity. So we have to change the, suppose we change the shipping condition. So 2, it will ask for the redetermination. So here for 2 we have not maintained. So go back and go to header 01, go back, redetermination, select. So it should be this one. Okay. So what has happened? So let us go to material master. Okay, material master. Let us go to run data, loading group 001, transportation group is 001. Okay, then go to this maintain route determination. Here I created shipping point S1. Okay, here go to route determination, group, actual route. So let us go to the okay, you see we have done everything. Okay, so we'll do one thing. One trace order will create is APOR and create this 65000 PO, then your payment terms is 0001. Here is material 2050. So okay, continue. We go to shipping. You can see this route is determined automatically. Okay. Okay. So thank you guys. Thanks for your time. I hope the things are clear. We will meet in the next class, which is about pricing procedure and condition data. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your time.